Yes, children, very interesting question. So, this is how the circuit diagram is given. There are 2 points A and B. The equivalent capacitance between A and B is 1 microfarad. Final answer is already given. 1 microfarad. All these capacitance are connected. You have to identify how they are connected and how to solve. Using that, you have to find this value of C. This value is given as C. So you need to calculate what is the value of C when the overall answer for this circuit is 1 microfarad. Right? All the capacitors numbering has been given, but all the capacitors are in microfarad. So what do you have to consider? This is 1 microfarad, this is 6, this is 12, this is 4, 8, 2 micro, all are in microfarad. So now you have to calculate. Again, we will not start solving from the part where battery is connected. So we will solve the shorter loops first. So देखने में क्या लग रहा है, ये दोनों पैरेलल में है. इनका जो आंसर आएगा वो इसके साथ सीरीज में है. ये नीचे का पार्ट सॉल्व हो जाएगा, राइट? सिमिलरली ऊपर वाला पार्ट देखो, कॉमन मिस्टेक बता रही हूँ, राइट? जो कॉमन मिस्टेक करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द कॉमन मिस्टेक? ये तीनों सीरीज में है, दैट इज अ कॉमन मिस्टेक. इफ यू लुक केयरफुली, दीज थ्री आर नॉट इन सीरीज. यहां से जो भी चार्ज आ रहा है 6 में और 12 में तो जा रहा है, लेकिन यहां जाने के बाद यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है. सो दीज थ्री आर नॉट इन सीरीज, ओनली 6 एंड 12 आर इन सीरीज. 6 और 12 को सॉल्व करके जो आंसर आएगा वो और 4 will be in parallel because the charge is getting divided from here. That you have to remember. ये loop solve कर लिया, ये loop का आंसर and this will be in series. Answer 1. ये loop का आंसर and this will be in series. Answer 2. Answer 1 and answer 2 will be in parallel. Finally, जो भी इसका आंसर आएगा that and C will be in series. And overall answer is 1 microfarad. So that is how you have to solve. You start solving on your own. I am also solving step by step. You can copy from the board in case you are not able to solve. But first, honestly, try to solve it on your own. Right? So we'll start solving. 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad are in parallel. Right? CP1. I am naming it CP1. 2 plus 2. That is 4 microfarad. Now 4 microfarad and 8 microfarad are in series. So 1 upon CS1, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 8 microfarad. No, not microfarad, this is 1 by CS1. So CS1 will be 8 by 3 microfarad. Step by step we are going. Right? So ये पूरा solve हो गया मेरा. This part is solved now. So this is 8 microfarad. Now 6 microfarad and 12 microfarad are in series. Right? 1 upon CS2. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 12. CS2 is 4 microfarad. ये दोनों को सॉल्व करके आया 4. This 4 and this 4 are in parallel. CS2 and 4 microfarad are in parallel. Right? So CP1 हम ले चुके हैं. Now we will take CP2. 4 plus 4, that is 8 microfarad. Means इन तीनों को सॉल्व करके आ गया 8 microfarad. Proceeding. Yes, proceeding. That 8 microfarad and this 1 microfarad and 8 microfarad are in series. CS1 ले लिया, CS2 ले लिया. Now I'll take CS3. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 8, that is 8 plus 1 by 8, that is 9 by 8. So CS3 is 8 by 9. This is also important step, children. कभी कभी क्या होता है, you take CS3. This is 1 by CS3. Yes, 1 by CS3, 1 by 1, 1 by 8, and you will write 9 by 8. No, you have to reciprocate also. So it becomes 8 by 9 microfarad. Now ये सारा सॉल्व होके आ गया 8 by 9 8 by 9 एंड ये सारा सॉल्व होके आ गया था, फर्स्ट पार्ट ये आ गया था, राइट। नाउ दिस एंड दिस, ये सारे का आंसर एंड ये सारे का आंसर विल बी इन पैरेलल बिकॉज चार्ज डिवाइड हो रहा है, लेफ्ट हैंड एंड राइट हैंड्स आर मीटिंग. नाउ वी विल राइट 8/3 microfarad and 8/9 microfarad are in parallel. Yes children, any doubts? Final answer also some of you have taken out. You need to find the value of C children. Yeah, I hope this is correct. Yes Abhiman, I hope it is correct. Yes, 32/33 is the correct answer. We are proceeding to that. So they are in parallel. So what will be CP1 we have taken, CP2 we have taken. Now we will take this as CP3. So 8/3 plus 8/9. So the answer is 24 plus 8/9. That is 32/9 microfarad. Right? So this answer is 32/9. ये पूरे लूप का आंसर is 32/9 microfarad. Now this 32/9 and C are in series, right? You're able to see now? Yes. So C and 32/9 are in series. So when we solve it in series, so 1 upon CS is 1 upon C plus, rather than CS we will write down an equivalent. Equivalent is given to us. Plus reciprocal of 32/9. So this becomes 9/32. So 1/C comes out to be, इसको minus करेंगे 1/1 minus 9/32. 1/C comes out to be 32 minus 9. So 1/C comes out to be 32 minus 9 is how much? 1/C will be So 32 minus 9 is 23/32. So what is the value of C? 32/23 microfarad. This is your final answer, right? So that is how we have to go step by step and solve it. Yes, you can write in decimal also or you can leave it like this. So the final answer is 32/23 microfarad. Any doubts anywhere, please ask.